Scott and Jim here with Pro Fireworks, and we're excited to show you an awesome new product that we not only designed, but we carry exclusively. It is called Pro Pull Smoke. What sets this smoke apart, it is by far the most vibrant smoke on the market.
Plus, it is safe, inexpensive, and easy to use. Just hold the pull smoke canister in one hand and pull the wire ignition sideways, not up, and toss. Bam! Now you have over 60 seconds of the thickest, most intense, colorful smoke you have ever seen.
Use it for photography, videography, soccer matches, gender reveal, paintball, school spirit.
Detroit Lions, you name it, the possibilities are endless.
Pro Pull Smoke and Pro Fireworks. Light up the sky.